Hi students, welcome to our Narayana Live classes. Today we will discuss about a short explanation about assignment, 17th assignment. Then first bit, edge length of the cube is 400 picometers. Its body diagonal would be dash. Then body diagonal formula is what students? Body diagonal is equal to root 3. Here given condition is edge length 400 picometers. Then A value you can substitute root 3 into 400. Root 3 value is how much? 1.73 into 400. Then you can get 173.2 into 4. Then you can get somewhat 693 picometers. And then second one, a metal crystallizes into two cubic phases FCC and BCC whose unit cell lengths are 2.5 and 2 angstroms respectively. The ratio of densities of BCC and FCC. Then what is the density formula? Density is equal to N into atomic weight to the top, Avogadro constant into volume of the cubic unit cell AQ. Here they ask density ratios of BCC and FCC. Here both BCC and FCC both are crystallized with the same metal. That's why here atomic weight in both crystal FCC and BCC atomic weight values are same. That's why atomic weight cancel out. And then Avogadro number constant is same value. That's why this one also cancel out. Then taken as ratio between BCC and FCC densities ratio. N is nothing but a BCC number of atoms. How many students do? And then what is that length? BCC length is 2 angstroms. 2 angstroms. That is A cube is nothing but A. Here 2 by A cube is 2 cube to the top. And then densities of FCC. FCC number of atoms are 4 to the top. A cube is denominator factor. Then what about that FCC length? FCC length is 2.5. Then density formula is number of atoms into atomic weight to the top, Avogadro constant, and then volume of cubic unit cell is A cube. Then here they give lengths of BCC and FCC. They ask question mark condition is ratio of densities. Then here both are crystallized with the same metal. That's why atomic weight in both BCC and FCC both are same. This factor is cancelled out. And then Avogadro constant value is same. This factor also constant. Then you can take ratio. In the densities ratio, involved changed values are number of atoms and then length. And then BCC total how many number of atoms are represent? 2. And then denominator A cube. What is that BCC length? That length of BCC is 2 cube to the top. Density of FCC. FCC number of atoms are 4 to the top. What is the length of FCC? 2.540. Whenever solve this one, 2 by 2 cube. And then this one shifted to the denominator 2.5 and then 4. Then here 2 2's and then here 2 cube is nothing but is 8, 82 to 16. Whenever this one taken as cube, then you can get 15.6 something. Then you can get 16. Then 0.97. Then what about the densities ratio in between BCC and FCC? 0.9. Then option is first option. Option is first option. And then third one, the efficiency of packing in simple cubic unit cell is. The efficiency of packing in simple cubic unit cell. In case of simple cubing, the packing efficiency formula is number of atom and then volume of each sphere to the top, total volume volume. That is number of atoms are 1 and then volume of each sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 pi r cube, and then total volume is nothing but a cube. Total volume is nothing but a cube. Whenever substitute here, in case of simple cubic, edge length A is nothing but a 2r. Then in place of r, you can substitute a by 2. R is nothing but a by 2. Whenever substitute that value, 1 into 4 by 3 pi, r value is how much? A by 2 whole cube to the top, a cube. Then a cube both are cancelled, and then here 2 cube, 1 by 2 cube is nothing but 8, that is 4 pi by 3 into 8. Then how many times cancellation? 2 times, then you can get pi by 6. Pi by 6. Then option is which option? First option. And then fourth one, if A stands for the edge length of the cubic systems, A stands for the edge length of the cubic systems, simple cubic, body centered cubic and face centered cubic, then the ratio of radii of the spheres in these systems will be respectively. Then what about ratio of radii in case of simple cubic, BCC and FCC? Then the ratio of radii in case of simple cubic and then BCC and then FCC. Then here in case of simple cubic, length is A equal to 2r, then r equal to a by 2. And then in case of BCC, r value is root 3a by 4. And then in case of FCC, r value is root 2a by 4. Root 2a by 4. This one is r value in case of FCC. Root 2a by 4 is, you can write like this, a by 2 root 2. A by 2 root 2. Then what about that ratio in case of simple cubic and BCC and then FCC? Then simple cubic a by 2, BCC root 3a by 2 radius, and then FCC root 3a by 4. That root 2a by 4 is, you can write like this, a by 2 root 2. Then option is third option. Then option is which option? Third option. Then next, fifth one. A solid has a BCC structure if the density of closest approach between the two atoms is 1.73 angstroms. Then the edge length of the cell is dash. Then BCC locating positions corner and center of the board. Corner and center of the board. The atoms located at corner positions and center of the body. Center of the body. Then here body diagonal length. That body diagonal length is how much, students? Root 3. Nearest, closest approach means then this atom closest approach in that body diagonal is this atom. Then for example this one is one atom and then this one is one atom. Always here, from here to here distance is r. Then here to here half of the distance of internuclear distance is nothing but a radius of atom. Here r and then here r. That is closest approach is closest distance to r is equal to that closest distance the 2r in case of body diagonal length. Total body diagonal length is how much? Root 3. Then here atom which is located at half of that body diagonal length. That's why you can consider that half of body diagonal length is how much? Root 3a by 2. That closest approach is root 3a by 2. Root 3a by 2. Here in our given data they give closest approach that 2r value how much? 1.73 angstroms. That is equal to root 3a by 2. Here question mark condition is edge length of the cell. That edge length in terms of picometers. That's why here angstrom value converted into picometers. Here 1 angstrom equal to 10 power minus 10 meters. And then 1 picometer equal to 10 power minus 12 meters. Therefore 10 power minus 10 meters equal to how many picometers? That is equal to 10 power minus 10 to the top, 10 power minus 12, that is equal to 10 square picometers. That's why here angstrom value converted into picometers. Then here 1.73 into 10 square picometers is equal to root 3 value is how much? 1.73 into edge length is how much? Edge length is question mark value, and then denominator value is 2. Then 1.73 both are cancelled. Then you can get edge length A is equal to 200. That is 2 into 10 square is nothing but 200 picometers. Here in body diagonal length, always you can consider closest approach. Closest approach means center of the atom. That particular in BCC, the atom which is located at center of the body. That's why you can consider as a half of the distance of body diagonal is closest approach. Nearest neighbors. The first nearest neighbors in BCC is root 3a by 2. That nearest neighbors distance is how much? 1.73 angstroms. Then from this you can find out a value. Then option is which option? First option 200 picometers. And then sixth one. What is the sixth one? Total volume of atoms present in a face-centered cubic unit cell of metal is dash. Total volume of atoms. How can calculate total volume of atoms? Here number of atoms multiplied with volume of each atom. Volume of each atom. Then you can get total volume. Then here that FCC, they give FCC lattice. That particular lattice is which lattice? FCC lattice. In FCC, how many number of atoms? 4 atoms. Here the particular atom is treated as like a sphere. Then what is the sphere volume? 4 by 3 pi r2. That's why total volume 16 by 3 pi r cube. Then option is fourth option.